You're tuned in to the hottest frequency in town.
Where the beats are blazing and the vibes never stop.
From sunrise to sign-offs, we're bringing the energy
to keep you hyped, live and loud.
This is Z Radio 98.7.
And information or opinions expressed during this program are solely those of the individuals involved and do not necessarily represent this station or its employees.
Will you be there and be your best and fill your mind? Will you be there and see the world, leave the rest behind? If you got what it takes, you can get the breaks and even learn for free. University of Baguio, UB, University of Baguio, UB, University of Baguio. Will you be there?
Complete your Baguio experience and enjoy your stay at 456 Hotel with spacious, comfy rooms overlooking the stunning city view of Baguio. Room rates are so affordable as you pamper yourself and your loved ones to a charming, lavish room. 456 Hotel is equipped with top-of-the-line amenities that would guarantee you a relaxing and peaceful stay. Hang out at the Atrium Coffee Shop as you get to see a glimpse of the hotel's indoor park. Savor great tasting food at 456 Resto. 456 Hotel also offers function room where you can celebrate special events. Enjoy your precious moments in Baguio and choose 456 Hotel. For reservations, call or text 0917-888-9456 or 0947-975-6789. Follow 456 Hotel on FB and IG. 456 Hotel is located at number 59 Legarda Road, Baguio City.
San Mig Light, a beer that's refreshing. The taste of life, the feel of life. Light. Anytime, anywhere.
Drink light, live light, San Mig Light.
Drink responsibly.
Hey, ayos! Kumikitang kabuhayan na to sa wakas!
Oh, Babuske, ang saya-saya mo ngayon ah.
Hay, siyempre, Sir Pizza, meron na akong negosyo!
Paano nangyari yun?
Ay, naging wholesaler ako ng mga produkto ng Sabon Station, Sir Pizza.
Anong mga produkto nila na wholesaler mo?
Meron silang dishwashing liquid, car shampoo, fabric conditioner, liquid detergent, liquid hand soap, alcohol, powder detergent, pet shampoo.
Tara na, mag-wholesaler na din ako. Pagdagdag sa budget ko, Babuske.
Teka lang, Sir Pizza.
Bilisan mo, baka magkaubusan.
Kaibigan, naghahanap ka ba ng ekstrang pagkakakitaan para sa pamilya? Eto na ang solusyon sa iyong problema, ang Sabon Station. Maging isa sa aming mga wholesaler ng dekalidad na dishwashing liquid, fabric conditioner, liquid detergent, pet shampoo, alcohol, liquid hand soap, car shampoo, detergent powder, #1 supplier ng mga laundry outlet, restaurant, car wash dito sa Baguio at sa La Trinidad. Kompleto rin sila ng mga pang-car care, car wash product gaya ng tire black, armor all, degreaser at iba pang gamit para sa iyong sasakyan. Pumunta lamang sa Sabon Station na matatagpuan sa Pico Road, La Trinidad, Benguet, harapan ng Jericho Hardware. Tumawag lamang sa cellphone number 0950-4598-861 o di kaya 0926-1516252. Kaya tara na kaibigan, bilhin ha!
Herbal capsules, kape at choco pa. Sa bawat produkto, sa Go Healthy, siguradong laging fresh. Herbal soaps at shampoo, pati healing oils. Ang katawan mo'y muling pagbabalik sa ayos. Tara na sa Go Healthy Wellness Center. Ibalik ang kalusugan, natural na paraan. Go Healthy Wellness para sa katawan mo. Muling buhayin ang lakas mo. Subukan mo na.
Go Healthy Wellness Center ay matatagpuan sa Room 207, Victoria Shopsville, Mabini Street sa harap ng Save More sa Baguio City. Meron din tayo dyan sa Room 3, JMF Building, Balilila, Trinidad, malapit sa Caltex. Meron din tayo sa Abatan, Bugyas, Bontoc, Mountain Province at Bawang, La Union. For more information, contact 0933-982-0991. Tara na sa Go Healthy Wellness Center.
Loud in your lane, Z-Radio 98.7.